You've gone through all of the work of setting up and recording your podcast, and now you need a place for it to live. Just sharing your Apple Podcast link is not going to work because less than half of all podcast users use Apple Podcast. So how do you share your podcast to the widest audience possible while also having one easy to remember link? That's where your podcast website comes in. Hi, I'm Joe Casabona, and I will be your instructor for this course, Building Your Podcast Website, a course from Podcast Liftoff. I've been podcasting for almost a decade at this point, and I've been a web developer for 2 decades. And in this course, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to set up a WordPress website, get it configured, submit your podcast to Apple Podcasts, and of course, publish right through the WordPress dashboard. We'll talk about best practices for buying a domain name, where to get your website hosting as well as your audio hosting. Spoiler alert, it's going to be Castos, and so much more. I hope you enjoy this course, and I look forward to seeing the website that you create thanks to everything you learned here. If you want to learn more about me or get in contact, you could always reach out on Twitter or Instagram at jcasabona, and you can find me over at casabona.org. Thanks so much, and I hope you enjoy the course.